Suzuki Fronx or Yaris Cross or Hyundai Creta Premium boss. Planning to buy first family car sana and comfy sa babae din i-drive. Sige, Joshua, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Honestly, itong tatlong to is really the three of the most like parang favorite ko na crossover or compact crossover today. If ako pa pipiliin, it will boil down to this three talaga. Why? Because of the value and then good quality features, and then of course kasama na rin dyan yung trip natin, yung looks. Let's start with Suzuki Fronx. I really like this car specifically because of the exterior design. Ang lakas ng dating, grabe para sa akin. Gustong gusto ko yung overall exterior design niya. And then hitek pa siya sa features, si Fronx. I think sa lahat ng crossover or compact crossover, siya yung pinaka best value for money. Safety sense, and then yung special niya nga feature na heads-up display unit. Heads-up display. Yun nga, sa harap instrument panel, you don't need to look down. Nandun na sa may dashboard mo yung vital information like speed and all. The thing is, honestly, yung interior ni Fronx is mas premium tong the other two, si Yaris Cross and Creta N-Line. And then nakano lang din siya, conventional type handbrake, wala siya nung auto hold and electronic parking brake. Sobrang hitik sa features, gustong gusto ko yung exterior looks, and then gustong gusto ko rin yung interior looks na premium. And then swak lang talaga sa panlasa ko overall si Yaris Cross with all the safety sense, 360 cam, and all the features that I want. And then lastly, si Hyundai Creta Premium naman, I'm also a very big fan of. I also really like it. Great build quality. Yun talaga, metal niya. Sa lahat ng to na nabanggit, ito yung pinakamaganda yung build quality, exterior, tsaka interior din. Sobrang premium din as the name suggests. Advanced driving aids na rin, yung all the sensing ganon, 360 cam. Sobrang premium talaga niya. And the thing is, ano lang talaga, for this three, Creta N-Line lang talaga yung gusto kong i-recommend kasi add ka lang ng konti. I know it's not for everyone. Even ako nga minsan parang mas gusto ko yung elegante lang. But just for the sake of comparison, guys, I made a full comparison for you on my YouTube channel. Tignan nyo na lang doon. Creta N-Line yung ginawan ko because ito yung pinaka-sportiest lang talaga na option out of all the small crossovers today. So go ahead and check it out. Sobrang okay ng tatlong to. I would love for you to watch that video, guys. So sana nakatulong. Follow for more.